bike check. First we got a Demolition Rogue cassette hub in red. Then Eastern Freeway 22.3 tire. And nitrous stock rim with 14 gauge stainless steel spokes. Okay, then I have a lime green KMC chain, stock sprocket, and 175 nitrous shifter cranks, and Odyssey Twisted PCs clear, and an American bottom bracket. Alright, I have a Eastern one-piece combo for a seat, and an Odyssey Mr. Clampy seat clamp. Next I have a Nitrous Shock stock front wheel, and a Demolition Momentum white wall tire 2.35. I have a gyro. My stem is a nitrous trap front load stem. And then I have my stock Eastern Night Prowler in Midnight Blue, 8.5 rise and 29 inches wide. Then I have my Colt the Heart grips in red, and my ODI pink bar ends. I have a Tektro brake lever, and I have a Nitrous Shock Flatland fork, and I have a Tektro U-brake just running down there. It's connecting to the gyro, and a Nitrous Shock Flatland frame, 18.75 inch top tube.